front of me is ZTE Blade V50, and today I would like to show you how you can manage out rotation. Begin by opening tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same one again. You can also go into devices settings and click on display. Then scroll all the way down, click on auto rotate screen and tap on this switcher next to it to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!